Alright, SRT Hottie. This is that first drive in U9. Just jump all the way up to the top. Okay. First real heavy acceleration with it. I can dig it, baby. First initial impression is that because the lag is taken out, you'll think it accelerates harder, but it really doesn't. It's just starting to accelerate before you're actually ready for it. That's why people get the jerky head and the full body, because you're not tensed up. The car is starting to launch quicker than you're normally used to it launching. So one thing I am noticing is I don't have to depress the pedal as deep to get it to downshift, or when you give it a double tap to get it to double downshift. It takes the slightest amount of movement and downshift. Double tap, fifth gear, drop from 7th to 5th, just like that.